Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a video that I previously created and uploaded. It's relating to the theme of World Cup. So I thought I'd show you how I created something very similar with some AI videos included. So this is the video that I previously created, I've already uploaded. There's titles, there's themes, all relating to the World Cup, just transitions. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So the first thing, you just create titles. So I'm going to go to titles, and if you go to trending, you're able to search for soccer, or I've already got it here on the list, World Cup. And it's going to go through, give you a list of all the intros or titles to use for the World Cup. I'm going to pick this one here. It's just selected, drag and drop. This one here looks very professional. As you can see here, I'm just going to preview it. And all this is included as part of the Wondershare Filmora. And Wondershare Filmora is a tool that I've used for several years now. It's very easy to use and it's professional. So now I'm just going to go through and just update some of the text here. Just update it, make all the changes, and then change the presets if you want, and just press play and see how it looks like. Yeah, once you're happy with that, you can go to the next step. I'm going to add some stock media, but in this case, if you don't want to use the stock media, you can generate that yourself. But there's already here quite a comprehensive list. I'm going to pick one of these ones. Looks pretty nice, just a ball, and it looks really good, this video here. So I'm just going to use that one. As you can see, ball trying to get into the goal. There's also quite a few others there. Now, if you want to generate your own, there's the AI media option here, and this involves creating your own AI video. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to generate an AI image, and from the image, I'm going to create it into a video. So there's a couple of models here. You've got the GPT, you've got the Nano Banana one, and you've got the standard. I'm just going to use the Nano Banana 2. So this is the one that is being the model that's Google's created. I'm just going to drag and drop this photo. So I've got a ball there. I want to tell it to turn the ball into a flying dragon. So just for the prompting, you can make it as simple as you can, but if you want to make it more descriptive, then you can do so and it will be more detailed. You can use ChatGPT if you want to expand on that prompt and make it more detailed if you want. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. I've used that prompt. So you just let it go through and generate the image. So I'm going to let that run in the background. I'm going to also show you another title that you can use for the outro. So in the previous video, I actually used this title here. And I'll give it a gap. I'm going to put the generated images in there. And then let's have a look here. Just make the changes to the text. Nice and easy. Just go through, make all the changes to the text. Okay, and just play it. As you can see, you've got to rearrange the text here. Just drag it. And there we go. Looks really good. Play it. Okay, it also looks like that the generated image has been created. And there we go. Should have probably chosen the actual portrait instead of landscape. That's fine. I'm just going to use this here. It's going to download it. And now what I'm going to do is create a video, an AI video. So I'm going to use the original image with the ball here. Then I'm going to tell it to convert it. So just drop the first image into the first section here. Then you've got to crop it, apply it. Then you've got to get the second image, crop that as well. The prompt that you want to convert the ball, transform the ball into a flying dragon, and then it's going to use 200 credits. Just press generate. You can top up if you don't have enough credits. So at the moment 200, and it's going to run in the background. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the couple of transitions. So all these ones are related to World Cup as well. So just drag and drop the transitions between the different videos or even the image, and then you'll be able to make the video more professional. There we go. That looked pretty good. Add another one to this other video. I pick this one here, or all the balls coming and bouncing once it scored the goal. Then just play it. There we go. And then all the balls fly down. So that's a pretty cool transition. Now a couple of effects here, so let's have a look at the effects. There's the football ones. I've used this one here in the previous video. It's a shockwave. So just drag and drop the shockwave onto your video. I'm going to apply it to the image, and you'll see how it looks like. There we go. Looks pretty cool. Just going to move this outro a bit closer, and then just looks like the video is going to be almost done soon. So there's also filters that you can use. I'm going to use this lifetime filter and pick this one here, the broadcast pro grade. make it look like it's broadcasted. Here we go. And then this is how it looks like for that particular image. So there's this gap here. This is for the video that is generated. Here we go. Looks like it's done. So just drag and drop the video that was generated, this one here. Drag and drop onto the timeline. Pick the current settings for the resolution. And have a look at this. There's a dragon. It's flying. So this was generated by AI. So you gave it the first image and the last image, and then in between it created the transition and the whole video using AI. Okay, let's have a look from the start. There we go. The intro, the video, the ball, and then the ball changing into a dragon, transforming into a dragon, and then flying. And that's the shockwave. And then that's the, make this shorter, and then that's the outro. And you can add some music or AI audio, and then just give it a prompt. Say that you want to use the music for a World Cup video, and then it will generate, and just add that into your timeline. And that's it. Your video will be looking and hearing very professional. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out Wondershare Filmora.